Started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill. The town lit up and the world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. For the good old days may not return, and the rocks might melt, and the sea may burn. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing.
Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'll have a Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for another golden oldie for you. This is from Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, of course, and a song called Learning to Fly. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Tom Petty and Heartbreakers, which is the key of C. Okay. Now then, relatively simple chord-wise, this song. It's only 4 chords: F, C, A minor and G, and it just goes round and round and round. Okay, now you could just strum it all the way through like a okay, but there are various guitar parts on this record, and there are certain bits in it which I think you hear quite pronounced in the song, so I tried to amalgamate all the bits that I think are quite interesting and put them together. So I ended up with this sort of arrangement rather than just strumming it. Okay, it's sort of instead of the strumming bit. Okay, so what am I doing there? This is for the intro. You do this 4 times. Okay, so you start off with a simple F chord, down strum, take off the second finger, strum again, and then put the finger back and do a 3rd strum. So, got that? 4 downwards, and then you strum a C chord, followed by the 2nd string on its own, the 3rd string, and then the 2nd string. So you got. Then you form an A minor, and you just play the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Okay, so now you've got and finally you play a G chord. I'm playing it like that, you could play it like that, but I think for this, because you need to make it a suspended, it'd be far easier if you played it like this. Okay, so you do a G strum. So now, and then you put this, you play that sort of little suspended bit. So now you've got, so you play the strum, the G, then you put your first finger on that first fret of the 2nd string, the B string, open, and back to that again. So So you got this. Okay, and then you just repeat 4 times. Okay, so you got. And at that point you go into the first verse. Okay. Right then, boys and girls, for the verses and also the chorus, actually it's the same all the way through the song. After this I just play a simplified intro. Okay, so on the intro we were doing this on the first 2 chords, that bit. All I do is I just go to F to the C. I don't do any picking. So it's, well, I started out, but on the A minor I do the usual 4-3-2, and then on G I play the single strum. Put your finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string, open, back again, all on the 2nd string there. It's like you did on the intro. So for the verse, you come out of the last one of the 4 intros, and then, well, I started out down a dirty road, started out all alone. 2nd verse, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill, and the town lit up, the world got still. Of course the same, and I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. And there we have it, boys and girls. That's it, all the way through. Okay, and at the end of the song, basically I just play the intro again with the a few times, and then just stop on the C. The final chord is a single strum on the C. So there it was, a nice simple song for you. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.